Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get the battery report for your mobile device such as a laptop or tablet in Windows 10 or 11. Press the Windows key first and then X. Now this drop down menu will appear. So click on Windows Terminal. And then this command prompt will prompt up. Now what you need to type is power CFG space / battery report and then tap enter key. So now the battery report will be saved in this C drive. So I will show you how to head over to the C drive directories where the battery report is saved. So this icon here, double click on this PC, you will see my local disk C drive. Double click on that, you will see users. That's the same name as my icon here, is saved users. So double click on that, your one will obviously be different. Double click on users again, and then here as you can see at the bottom is the battery report. So it will tell all the information about your batteries that's installed from day one of the laptop when it was purchased. So as you can see, the cycle count is 127 on this device and it's still holding a good charge. So now I will scroll down. It will tell you about the recent usage, when it was connected to the power cord and when it was disconnected. So guys, I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.